shadow.
sun.
The fucking sun was in our eyes.
Wow.
Sun in my eyes.
Wow, you didn't have any trouble seeing me.
No, I didn't.
I had nothing but trouble. I know, but it's because I'm looking through that fucking zoom
Dude,
lens.
did you see me? I just walked
No, I
up the
couldn't
side
see
there and
anything.
took out all of you guys.
I was.
I killed you. You continually fired at me. I'm like, what is Stagger doing? But that's just your regular response. Big draw fire. I'm like, Stagger, I got you, bro. Don't shoot at me. But then he came around because I think twice or 3 times he like one after the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys snuck around. That was pretty sneaky. But it was, in all fairness, I couldn't see it through that 5x zoom.
Game number 2, zombie.
Literally, all your tags on your hand.
Oh, fuck yeah. Well, I was checking to see if they fit.
And then return it if you don't want it.
The zombie game is a blast.
How many zombies are there to start? 1? And does anybody know who it is? Oh, that's dangerous.
1 player is a zombie. The rest of the players defend the castle.
Okay, there he is, blue, right at the oil tank. Oil tank. Ouchie, mama. So you're going that way. Zombie. Right in that noodle.
I should have been thinking. Yeah, fucking blasted in the face through the door. Yeah. Like, oh, God.
Looking through the window.
So the first one here is 1. And behind 2, guys.
Close up. Front side's right. On the right side?
There's definitely a guy behind this one.
Unfriendly?
Unfriendly.
This building right in front of us. Yeah, there he is. Got him.
Nice.
Call out.
He's out there right up front.
Okay, behind the fence, number 3. Down up the hill. Down the hill. Down the hill, yeah. Way down there. Swatted pieces.
Sneaky good.
The sunshine brings out the crazies.
Good. No. Not that. Don't you Stagger.
Now I become a zombie and join the attacking team of zombies.
One is from the building.
My head cam just shit the bed.
Coming through, coming through.
Here, get this out of the castle.
Now we have more zombies than regular people.
Oscar.
It won't take long now. Just one big push left.
on, Nathan. I was being nice to you. You should have given
Dude, we're on your team.
Oh, you would have right?
No, talking to those kids.
All right, just one person up top. No.
Upstairs? Yeah, who's got frags?
One at a time.
And the grenade usually ends this game.
Reshoot. You know fucking kaboom? Yes, go ahead. Wait for our team. Technically, I read the rules enough to put the slow rating on the second floor. He's hit, he's hit. Underhand. Underhand? Yeah, underhand. Yeah. Okay, go for underhand. Hit already. Underhand where? Everybody want a grenade to throw? I got one. We bought all those grenades. I think that's it. Everybody take one window. This window. Go on the table.
Clear.
Clear.
Frag
us, man. Yeah. It popped right here.